All right, round 2 of cleaning. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit these with my cleaner, and then I'm gonna try to extract it with this bad boy. Pro tip, use a horse brush. Nice stiff bristles and really cheap. That is what just came out of the Celica seeds. It's gonna cost you less than $1 to make every time, and it works really good on getting really nasty stains out of carpets and in your seats and things like that. So the first thing you're gonna do is grab a measuring cup, and you're gonna need some hydrogen peroxide, some all-purpose cleaning vinegar, and then some Dawn dish soap. And I actually add a little bit of citrus essential oils into mine too, just for the smell, and then also citrus is a natural degreaser. All right, so in your 32 ounce or 16 ounce spray bottle, you're going to add 1 cup of the hydrogen peroxide, 2 tablespoons of vinegar. This helps remove odors, and it also kills some different types of mold, which is what I have going on in my project car right now. And then you need 3 tablespoons of dish soap. You can do a dye-free version of the dish soap if you want to do that. So once you have all of those in, you can add your essential oils if you like. I just use a now grapefruit, and then you fill up the rest of your bottle to the 16 ounce line, and there you have it. Make sure that you test it on something in your interior first before you use this. I wouldn't use this on leather or anything like that. This is strictly for carpet and fabric. especially on like really dirty older cars. Otherwise, you're probably safe to use just a regular store-bought interior cleaner.
I remember